What started out as a mysterious disappearance and desperate search for a new mother uncovered a shocking betrayal. A woman accused of killing her best friend in Austin so she could then steal her baby and pass the child off as her own in Houston. Tomorrow, Magen Fieramusca is due in court. Grace White is talking to the victim's mother tonight about where this capital murder case stands more than 2 years later. Grace.
Heidi Broussard says what she's been through is hard to explain. She talked about knowing her daughter's accused killer, even having her over inside her home, and the long road to justice, waiting for a trial.
She always thought the best of everybody. I mean, she never saw anything bad in anybody. I'm telling you, that's the truth.
Speaking to KHOU 11 by phone from Lake Charles, Louisiana, Heidi Broussard's mother, Tammy, can't believe the woman charged with the murder was her daughter's longtime friend.
Heidi wouldn't want us to forgive her and release her. That's my Heidi. But I would really want the chance to talk to her.
Magen Fieramusca was arrested in 2019, found in a Houston home with Broussard's baby. Investigators say she was pretending the child was hers, and Heidi's body was found in the trunk of a car parked outside.
You came to our house, we loved you. You were welcomed into our home, and we cared for you in our home. You know, what were you thinking? To murder our daughter.
Earlier this year, Fieramusca appeared in court in Austin, where investigators say the kidnapping took place. But there's still been no trial. Her defense team arguing law enforcement did not obtain a search warrant for the house in Houston before they went in. But law enforcement testified they entered out of concern for the baby, but did not search the home until warrants were signed. Ultimately, it's an issue the judge will have to decide. But for this mom, watching from Louisiana, it's been more than 2 years of painful delays.
I want this whole thing finished to where my grandchildren are not asking them what happened.
Tomorrow morning's court hearing is set for 9:15. Broussard's mother says she won't be there in person, but does plan to make the trip when a trial date is set. Grace White, KHOU 11 News.
Such a shocking case, one we'll continue to watch and track. Grace White, thank you tonight.